So I rescued a Kookaburra. I called him Simon. He couldn't fly, but he can dance.
Even if I died tomorrow. What is it?
It's okay. It's a Kookaburra. It's a really good sign.
You guys need to make up. You be friends now.
Yeah, but that's my finger, mate. It's not a worm.
Oh, well done, Bindi.
That was pretty good. That was a good one, dude.
You gonna take it home?
We're doing our intro. Turn to the camera, please.